There it is then. F900r. It's a bonny looking thing. Small. I would imagine light and agile compared to a lot of bikes. It says sport on this, so I'm assuming it's got a couple of things extra, maybe the gold, the fly wing, the fly shield, I really don't know. Brembo brakes. I'm not going to go into technicalities, I don't do that. Obviously fitments for the panniers, so you could stick a set of BM panniers on it and go a tour in. Quite nice. And it's got quick shifter pro, I think it's up and down here, and obviously a fitment for the BMW sat nav or the phone mount on the cradle. It's got all the usual BMW controls. I think it's got 2 riding modes, this one, road and rain, and the same sort of screen is now common on the BMWs. Very nice TFT screen, dead easy to see, dead easy to read. Goes through the menu system, and you've got the whiz wheel and everything like that, so it's all pretty good. Cruise control, which is nice. Yeah. Yeah, very nice bike. Nice to look at. The short time I've had it, it's quite nice to ride. Comfortable, just not what I'm used to. My problem is this gap here, I'm having to, I can't just sort of, you move your foot out, click. This I have to take my foot off and click. Muckle feet. Yeah, well, very nice though. Standard exhaust. Not the best. Not bad. It doesn't look too bad. Stock exhaust go. Yeah, not so bad. So, continue on down the road. Get ourselves home. Get that first coffee of the day. So not even had that yet. Although to be fair, I could have had it at BMW, but I chose not to. I've no much idea of what it sounds like. I can't hear it at all. Probably quite a quiet exhaust anyway, I would think stock exhaust, I don't know. Let's see if I can hear it here. In a word, no. The other thing I would say about this is this, with the stock exhaust, possibly impacted by the helmet quite a bit, I would think. There's no oral pleasure. Beware, missus. Folks, it's the day after we started this test ride, or not test ride, but riding of this own bike. The GS wasn't quite ready. I had some time constraints, so it would have been ready yesterday, but I couldn't collect it, so we're heading back up to collect it today. And few miles I've done on this, it's absolutely fantastic. I really like it actually. Once you get sat on it, set yourself in, it feels a bit alien first because I've not ridden nakeds for years. I've only ever owned one. But it's really good fun. It's like fucking fast enough. Nice clean airflow with this, I must admit. It's surprising. Just the upper chest and shoulders, obviously just a helmet. It's clear as a whistle with a little fly screen. No turbulence at all. Really nice. Well, we're not far from Motorrad Central now. We'll be handing this loan bike back. Picking up my baby. With a new kit. So I suppose, what do you think of this? This is the next thing, just to summarise. All I think you need to put into context or start is what? I've only done about 150 miles and what is basically 2 rides, so you have to temper any thoughts with that. But in reality, I would really like it. When I first got on it, I was a bit unsure of the position and stuff like that, but actually it's a very comfortable position. Once you settle into it, it's very comfortable. Just slightly leant forward, but not like a sports bike where there's lots of other weights on your forearms and that. Because where I'm sitting just now, I'm holding myself upright and there's no weight on my arms whatsoever. Whereas I can relax a bit more, lean into it a little bit. Like the engine, it's punchy, torquey. It's really nice. It's got more than enough power. I mean, arguably, why would you put 1,000 sport when you could have this? Yeah, I'd quite happily have this. More than enough grunt. More than enough. For me anyway. You'd have no lack of overtaking capability, and I think to be honest, unless you were on a long straight, better stick with most between the bends. It's very nimble, very light. This is the sport version with I think you call it quick shifter pro. It's an up and down quick shifter, but I'm not a fan of using it down the way, but it's very nice. It's 2 ride modes, road and rain. I don't know if there are more available in this, you'd have to check BMW's configurator or something like that to see if that's something you have to add on. But yeah, it's very nice, and it's got the ability to put some panniers on it, which no doubt you'll pay handsomely for knowing BMW. But it does have that ability, obviously. You can stick tank bags, sat nav, like any BMW. You could pimp the shit out of it. It costs a fortune, and what is probably, and I'll be honest with you, I don't know the price, but probably a relatively cheap bike in the big scheme of things, considering you're getting a premium brand, which I still think BMW is. Yeah, all in all, a very nice bike. I've really enjoyed riding it. Very small compared to what I'm used to. even the R1200R, which is the only other, well, the K1200R, which I suppose is a naked, and the R1200R, but the K1200 had a bigger screen on it. The R1200 had a bigger screen on it. So although they're nakeds, they didn't feel like nakeds, if you know what I mean. Whereas this, yeah, the little fly screen's really nice. It's a good airflow over it. It's very pleasant. If I was one of these people who could have a stable of bikes, the garage with 2 or 3 bikes in it. Oh well, and you're back in the room, Bill. Yeah, wake up. But if I was that person, would I have this there? Well, I think you'd have to have one sort of mid-sized, like this is what's called mid-sized now, isn't it? Machine that was naked. And I suppose you'd have to go and test ride other things first. But with this would be in the running, I would say. It's very nice, but I'd have to try all these other things first. I'm a bit of a BMW fan, although I'm not exclusively with them. I have strayed. Anyway, let's see what our baby's like.